So quick video of basically how to prime your gas. I disconnected my fuel line. I got a 6N. I actually made my own line because I had extra from doing a return. That's what I did to like lock it in. I got it coming out the car and right into the gas tank. As you people can see, look, there's no gas coming out of here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it real quick. I'll leave this line inside here. Sorry I'm doing this in the dark, but so all right, real quick, when you go into the word MISC, right over here in the kpro, okay, all you have to do is basically go down over here where it says run a fuel pump, go to the top, click on the up arrow, click it, and as you can hear, my fuel pump is on. Battery's blinking a little bit. I'm trying to drain out this old gas, and now I'll go show you guys real quick. Can't actually hear it. Trying not to spill any gas anywhere. Look at that. Nice flow of gas coming out. Good way to drain out your old E85, you know, or old 93, whatever you want to do. Simple video. Once you hear a sound like it's getting empty, all you gotta do is just come over here, click where it says fuel pump. You know, right now it's checked, so it's on and it's actually pumping. My battery light is actually going on, so that means my shit must be empty. So now let it run a little bit and let's stop it now. Then I'm gonna go up, upload the arrow, and now my pump stopped, saving calibration. So one thing that I forgot to mention, just in case you people don't have any of these type of, you know, like the and fitting tools and stuff like that, just in case you people don't have any of these funky tools, this one from Harbor Freight is actually the best. Maybe like about $6. And if you guys are wondering the size on the 6N, usually this right here is like about a size 19, and then this is you buy like a stubby size 18, and this is the perfect size to reach onto this right here, or this. But the fitting right here itself with the piece that you clamp onto is usually like about a 19, you know, just so you guys know. Okay, see, once you're done with it, like, pinky it up with a pinky. Now it's nice and empty. Just dump it on the side of the road somewhere. That's it. And be out.